I got the tractor come in and break the ground for me. It saved me 3 days, saved me 75% on my budget, because manual labor takes longer and it's not consistent. The difference between Vietnam and the United States, a lot of kids in the U.S., they join gangs when they're young age, they can't go to school, they drop out, they don't drop them, it's more about the family. In Vietnam, we have that here, but it's really low percentage. The guy in the blue shirt, he's the owner of the tractor. That's his grandson right there. He couldn't finish school. His grandson out here working. Well, he's in training right now. That's why his grandfather here watching him. After his training, his grandfather's gonna split 50-50 after expense. So they make pretty good money. I think he can make roughly $200 a day doing this, roughly. The expense ain't that much, just the gas. I think it's gonna cost him like, I don't think $5 of gas a day. So he gonna get his own tractor when he's finished his training. It was more like a old school here. It's like all family oriented in Vietnam. And they're always trying to create, the kids can finish school, they're always trying to create jobs. And like the United States, if they could go to school, the parents try everything in the power and loans, sell property, just to put the kids in school.